In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to add authentication to this project. But let's first overview what we have done before. So we create a database structure, this database structure, in here, and then we create a bunch of pages with drag and drop, which are these pages, with some reports and some filtering for the lists, and with some notifications and some other interfaces creations. So what we're going to do next will be simply to add authentication to these pages that currently we don't have authentication. So how do we do this? So we go to our Bloxtor, we go to our project, to our layer, presentation layer, and we do install a program. And then we're going to select this program, beauty off, and we click install, and then we make our own selections. Basically just click next until we get to this interface here. In this interface, what we need to do is to fill the pages that we want to be private. So let's say that I want to have all these pages to be accessible only by authenticated users. So I select these pages and then I click next, and the program it is installed. So as soon as I do this, now if I refresh a page here, I'll get a message saying user not allowed, and I am redirected to the login page. So by default, the default project brings already the user, the admin user, so we can go to the manage users and see the current users that we have created in our database. So we currently have one admin user which has a user profile, admin user profile, and this admin user profile has access to all these pages. That's when we install the program, that's what the system did automatically for us. So now if we want to access to that pages, I just need to log in, and now I can access to the pages itself. If I can click refresh, but as soon as I click in here, the system does alert us and will redirect us to the login page again. This is because of security issues. So if we want, if we can check additionally that the system adds this icon here automatically, where now we have the profile, manage users, and other interfaces in here, as you can see. If you wish to change some of the authentication pages you can go to the login and to the logout page or the register page and make your own changes. So as you can see in the logout, or in this case in the login, I have a register link here, I have a forgot password, I have a single sign-on. So all these options I can define in this login module, where basically in here, if I don't want any of these, I could just erase this code here, or simply I can erase this part here and the system doesn't show that specific links. Or if I want to leave and if I want to change some specific configurations, I can just enter in each specific module, each individual module, and do my current changes, whatever I need to do. But basically that's it. So as you can see, we create a software which was open, we convert it to only authenticated users in a very quick way. And that's it.